Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crown K here. Thank you so much for tuning in. So y'all, we're going to do a wig review today. You see me, I have my wig cap on, so you already know what it is. So this hair was sent to me guys by UNice Hair, and I have done reviews for them already, so y'all know that they're popping, okay? So I got these free gifts in the bag. I got a wig cap, some nail foil, I don't even know what it is, and I got some eyelashes, and I got a silk headscarf, which I really love because you can never like be out of headscarves. And I already started saying like, okay, we're gonna count how many times I say like in this video. I bet. So this is a hair. This is their Burgundy straight wig, and it is a 24-inch wig. It has 150% density, and it is a 4x4 like fake scalp wig, and it comes with 3 combs on the inside as well as adjustable straps. And guys, this is how the hair looks straight on my head. Guys, I have to say, I thought it was going to be more burgundy. Like, it doesn't even look like a burgundy like color in my opinion. It looks kind of raspberry, I don't know, but the color it's not what I thought it was gonna be. It looks more pinkish, but burgundy is kind of pink, but it's still kind of red. I don't know, guys, but the color wasn't what I thought it was going to be. But anyways, let's get out of that. The hair is a straight unit. I did go in with my flat iron, and I went in and I straightened it, and it straightened pretty well. Yeah, it is a 4x4 closure. It only has like lace where the part is. I've done a wig review like this for them before, but it was a different color unit. You can definitely like go check that out. And yeah, that's what the color looks like. There really isn't nothing like much to say about the hair because it is a closure wig, guys. It really is a closure wig. It's ready to go, and it's a middle part, 150% density. And yeah, I went off camera and I straightened the rest of the wig, and this is what it's looking like. See how I was saying about the color? It's more of kind of like a raspberry color. Maybe my coloring is just off, but it's not as burgundy as I thought it was gonna be, if that makes sense. But this is the color, and we're working with it. As it relates to the parting area, well, that's the length of the wig. It is a true 24-inch. It's really like long. It's true to length, and it's pretty full, I must say. But as it relates to the parting area, I'm gonna add some makeup on the part to make it like more clean, and I wanted the wig to kind of like, you know, look more like a frontal in a sense. So I tried this trick the other day where I used the Ghost Bond glue, and I liked how it turned out. This hair doesn't come with baby hairs. I had to like comb out some of like the long hair from the wig and cut it into baby hairs. So yeah, I'm doing this trick again. I'm using the Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just adding like a very thin layer because we just want it to just like hold where the parting is so the wig doesn't like slide back. You can always wear the wig without gluing it down, because all the closures that I was doing before was not gluing it down. I was only like spraying like a little bit of free spray, but I tried like the glue and I think it looks bomb. So I'm just like gluing it right there so the center won't move, and then I'm going to create some baby hairs. And no guys, this wig does not come with baby hairs, but we're gonna take out some of those long hairs and we're gonna make our own baby hair. I feel like adding this made the wig look more seamless as opposed to just leaving the part like that. You can tell me down in the description that I keep saying this is the second video I said the same crap. You can tell me down in the comments what you think, if you would create the baby hairs or if you would just like wear it straight like that. But if you can't do this, you don't have to, because the wig does come ready to wear. It is a closure unit. So there's so much that you really can do with it, but I'm just like doing extra stuff, and I'm just cutting the baby hairs, and damn, those look like bangs. But we're gonna just like use the Got2b gel and my tweezer and like, you know, trim those up as I go along. But I cut them like a little bit longer at first, and then once I get like the kind of swoop that I want, I cut the excess off. So this is like my little method. And guys, at first I'm like, damn, the baby hairs was kind of making it look synthetic-y, but as soon as I, trimmed them properly and used the hot comb and a flat iron, it worked out. And guys, this hair is a Brazilian straight. I think that's what it is, but I'll leave all the information down in the description box so you get all the information and all the links to this hair if you want to, like, get this unit. And guys, the hair did shed. I'm not gonna lie, the hair did shed a bit, and I feel it's because of all the coloring that it went through. That is why it shed like that. And it kind of gave me like a mixed fiber vibe. If I'm being 100 with y'all, like, it kind of gave me like this mixed fiber kind of vibe. It did straighten. I feel like maybe my flat irons was like plugged in too long, but yeah, it's not a bad unit. But like, yeah. I just feel like the color is what threw me off because I wanted it to be a deeper burgundy color, but it still ended up like being pretty. Like, I made it work, like, how we do, we finesse it. Like, no hair, no wigs, ain't nothing formed against me will prosper. We're gonna make it work, we're gonna finesse it. So this is what it's looking like after, and I'm gonna use the hot comb and the flat irons, and then it's gonna like straighten, and it's gonna lay, and it's gonna look it's gonna look like so much better, way better. And guys, be careful with your hot tools because I burnt myself. If you've watched my videos before, you know that this is like a regular for me. I don't know what's wrong with me. Every time I hot comb the top of my head, I burn my face. But that's a story for another day. And if you haven't like subscribed to my channel already, then what are you waiting on? Like, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, because you want to know when I do upload. Like, I'm always uploading like fire content for y'all. And if this is your first time on my channel, like, welcome to my channel. Like, stick around because you want to be a part of the family. Shout out to UNice Hair for sending me this hair, and all the links will be in the description box down below. I really love you guys oh so much, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.